Hello and welcome to Now You Know channel, where we provide you with useful knowledge and practical skills for free. In this video, we'll show you how to start with your PowerPoint presentation in a very easy and professional way. Let's start from a completely new file. This is what you see when you open PowerPoint from MS Office. Here we see a click to add title placeholder and a click to add subtitle one. With your mouse, click wherever you want to add your text. Let's click here. Let's type My Super Company. If you press enter, PowerPoint will keep you in the same title placeholder. In this case we don't want this, so we want to add text in the subtitle placeholder. So as before, we click inside here and we type our text. Summary review. After finishing your typing, you can click outside the title placeholder. Now let's add a second slide. How we do this? From the Home tab of the ribbon, you press New Slide. The New Slide menu appears with a variety of slides for you to choose based on your needs and the information that you want to present. This, for example, title slide, it's identical to the one that we have just created. Let's choose and create a title and content one, the second one. On the left you can see our slides thumbnails. On this side you will be able to see all the slides of your presentation at all times. On the main screen we can see the slide that we just created. Let's click on the title placeholder to create a new title. Let's write our products. Like we did before, let's click on the second title holder here. And let's type jeans. Enter. T-shirts. Shoes. Dresses. Jackets. You repeat this process as many times as you need. Now, let's add another slide. We go here again, the new slide, we press. Let's choose another type of slide, a two-content slide. No, I don't like this one, so I will press undo. I'll go again to new slide, menu, and I will choose the comparison layout. I chose this because it provides me more title options. So let's go and type. We click here. Countries of operation. Let's suppose that our company operates in two continents. Here we write America. And here Europe. That's why I chose this layout. You can repeat the process as many times as necessary. This is absolutely up to you. Let's add another slide. Let's go here again. Let's describe the cities of operation. New slide. Let's choose the same comparison layout. We click here. Cities of operation. Again, subtitle America and Europe. Let's start. At any time you can go with the thumbnails on the left, click at any slide and edit it. You can delete or change the position of any slide that you want very easily. Let's delete slide number 4. We click in the thumbnail and just press delete. Okay, let's undo, bring it back because we don't have many slides to work with. Good. Let's suppose now that we want the products slide 2 to bring it in the end of the presentation. We just have to click on the thumbnail of slide 2 and drag wherever we want to move it in the end. Now the product slide becomes slide number 4 and countries of operation becomes slide number 2. Besides the position, we can change anytime we like the layout of any slide that we like. We just have to click in the slide. Let's click again slide number 4 and we go to layout button. We choose from the variety of themes and we press. Let's do some experiments. Totally different layout. Let's change it again. Layout. Let's choose this one, picture with caption. Of course we don't have a picture yet. We're gonna learn it later on. Let's choose another one. I think the best was the first that we had, so we go again, layout, comparison. No, this was not it. Okay, these are layout. Now let me show you another tool. While working, you might accidentally mess with your slides layout. For example, you might move this here. Let's mess a little bit with our layout. It's a really mess. Okay, if you face this situation, don't worry. Just go in the Home tab ribbon and press the button Reset. Boom. Your slide is readjusted in its original form. There is nothing more convenient than having nice photos and colors in your presentation. So, let's go to our presentation and make it a good looking one in a very easy way. Let's start with our product slide. We click on the slide. In this slide, we have a lot of space on the right in order to add our photo. To do it properly, we have to choose the right layout that has two content in two columns. So we go New Slide, to Content in two columns. Oh, sorry, this is a mistake. This command created a new slide. This is not what we wanted. We wanted to change the layout of an existing slide. So I will press undo. I will go again here and I will go to the layout button and I will choose to content in two columns. Correct. Now, if we wanted to add text, we would simply click and type, just like before. But in this case, we don't want text. We want to insert a picture. PowerPoint has 6 content icons for insertions. You can click here to insert a table, a chart. This we will see all in future lessons. Insert smart art graphic, picture from file, clip art, or a media clip. If the picture you want to insert is in a folder in your computer, you click Picture from File. Automatically, it took me to my Pictures folder. Scroll down, I will choose this Batman theme that I like very much. Double click. The picture is in your presentation. You can easily change the size and the position of the picture in the presentation. If you want to resize any picture in PowerPoint, you will only use the corner bullets here to maintain the right ratio. Click. OK. Or click to make it bigger. Again from here, from the corners only. If you want to move the whole picture, change place, you click inside and you drag by pressing down the left button key of the mouse. Now, this picture is quite improper, I would say. What does Batman has to do with jeans and jacket company? I'm sorry, but I didn't have any proper photos in my folder in my PC. So, let's erase it. In order to erase a picture from the PowerPoint presentation, just click on the picture and just press delete. We are back in square one again. PowerPoint gives us the opportunity to find anything that we like online through clip art. So, we go here, clip art. Here we can find a huge collection of royalty-free images, illustrations and video clips. So now we can click in the search, and we can type whatever we want to find. Let's type jeans. From here we can choose the media file types. If we want to have illustrations, video, audio, or just photographs, as I have chosen. Let's go with photographs. Just press go. Searching. It's ready. We found photos of jeans for our presentation. If we don't like these photos, we can change the query. We can go here back again, and let's type black jeans. Press go. Searching. Black jeans photos are here. Let's choose this one. Double click. It came to our presentation. Let's choose another one. Let's choose this as well. Double click. So we have two pictures now. We will resize them and move them as I showed you before, from the corners only. Now that we added some pictures in our presentation, let's change the design in order to make it less boring. Just go up and press the Design tab. A big variety of design layouts appear in the upper of your screen. You can even click here for more. Just by putting your mouse over any design, you see how your presentation will look like. You see, the structure and the fonts and the colors change automatically. If you choose, double click, and this design will be applied to the rest of the slides in your presentation. You can see all of your slides changed in the left in the thumbnails. I don't like this design. Let's choose another one. I like this better. Double click. All the slides changed accordingly. You can play more if you like and change more. You can play with colors or with background styles. Look at this. Just by scrolling the mouse you can see the changes before you apply them. You can change the fonts of the letters as well, just by clicking here. You see? Just choose the grammar line that you like. So, now that we made our presentation, let's see the saving options. I took a break and I added some slides in our presentation. I hope you don't mind. To save our presentation, we go to button that says File. Here we have a lot of options that we will see shortly. But first, let me tell you something very important. Go to Options. Here go to Save. And check the box that says Auto Recover. If this is activated, PowerPoint saves your information automatically, so you don't lose them in a case of a shutdown. We are okay here. It's clicked and it updates savings every 10 minutes. Click OK to go back. Let's go back to File. The most usual and common way in saving your presentation is with Save As. Click it. From here, you can choose where you want to save your presentation. If you want to save it in the desktop or in any other folder that you choose. Here in the file name, you choose and type the name of the presentation. I will leave it like that. I like this name. Last, here, you choose the type of the presentation. Click here so you can see the options that you have. As you can see, there are a lot of options. The most common is the existing type, or you might need to save it in another, older version of PowerPoint, like PowerPoint 97-2000, For example, if you need to send this presentation to a friend that has an older version of PowerPoint, you will choose this type. Otherwise, your friend will not be able to open the presentation. Or you can choose a PDF format, so nobody can do any changes to your presentation. Just choose where you want to save it, write the file name, select the type that you want, and just press save. In this case I will press cancel and I will go back again. Let's go to file again to see another way. From here you can choose this button to open an existing presentation, or you can go here, press print, and print the existing presentation. If I press this button, all the slides of the presentation will be printed. Or I can go here, click and write, for example, number 5, so only the slide number 5 will be printed. Just press the button, just make sure that you have paper first. Last, let's see save and send button. If I press this button here, the presentation will be attached to an email. You can send it in other formats as well, such as PDF, XPS, or you can send it as an internet fax if you have an internet fax provider connected. All this we'll see probably in future lessons, because are very specialized and I don't know if you're gonna need it right now. Here, like before, with the Save As button, you can change the file type. Let's click. You can save it as a presentation, as an open document, as a presentation in an older version, as I told you before, template, as a PowerPoint show that automatically opens as a slideshow. You can even create PDF, XPS document, create a video, create a package presentation for CD, or handouts for your audience. Now that we learned all these options, let's click File and we'll go automatically back to our presentation. Click it. Now that we finished and saved our presentation, let's go for the big ride. Let's present our work in the big screen. Very easily, just go to Slideshow button and press it. Here we have options from current slide or from the beginning, from slide number 1. Press it and the big screen will appear. If you connect your PC to a projector, this screen will be shown to the audience. To go to the next slide, press the right arrow key or the spacebar key. Press it again and go to next slides. To go back, press the left arrow key or the backspace. You can go anytime to the beginning, to the first slide, just by pressing the home key. Or you can go to the last slide just by pressing the end key. There is another way to move in the presentation. Go and right click. You can press next, previous slide, last view slide, or go to a specific slide. You see, all the titles of our slide appear here. Let me show you another trick for nice presentation. Right click anywhere, go to pointer options, and you can choose an arrow or a pen or a highlighter in order to interfere on the presentation. Click pen. Right click. Let's choose something else. Let's choose a highlighter and highlight Europe. These are nice tools in order to make your presentation more impressive. Let's erase them. Right click, pointer option, eraser. Click, click here. To go back, right click again, pointer option, and go to the classical arrow. Anytime you like to leave the presentation, you just press the escape button. And we are back from where we began. In this first lesson, we showed you how to create presentation slides, how to insert and modify text, pictures and layouts. We also showed you how to use the slideshow and how to save your presentation. In other videos, we will go deeper into the usefulness of PowerPoint. We hope you found this tutorial interesting and helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more and tell it to your friends. Thank you for watching.